Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Grow English. I'm Maya, and I'm so happy you're here with us again.
Hi, Maya. Hi, everyone. It's great to be back. Today's topic is something very close to everyone's heart: family.
That's right. Family is one of the most important parts of our lives, and it's also one of the best topics to talk about when you're learning English.
Exactly. Because when you learn how to describe your family, you can easily talk about yourself, your relationships, and your daily life.
So, let's begin with a simple question, Alex. Can you tell us a little bit about your family?
Sure, my family isn't very big. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
That's nice. So you're a family of 4. What do your parents do?
My dad works as an engineer, and my mom is a teacher. She teaches English at a local school.
That's wonderful. My mom is also a teacher, but she teaches math. And my dad works in an office. He's an accountant.
That's interesting. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one younger brother. He's still in high school. Sometimes he can be a little noisy, but he's really funny and kind.
I think younger brothers are always full of energy. My sister is older than me. She's married and has 2 children, so I'm an uncle now.
That's so nice, Alex. Being an uncle must be fun. Do you see your sister often?
Not as often as I'd like to, because she lives in another city. But we talk on the phone almost every week.
That's great. Staying connected is so important, even when family members live far away.
Absolutely. Family connection gives you strength and comfort.
So, let's help our listeners talk about their families in English. You can start with simple sentences like, I have a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My father is a doctor. My mother works at a school. I'm very close to my family.
Yes, these are easy and natural sentences. And remember, when you talk about family members, you can also use possessive forms. For example, my brother's name is Sam. My mother's favorite color is blue. My sister's children are very cute.
That's a great point. English learners often forget to use the apostrophe s to show possession. It's small but very important.
Right. Now, Maya, let's talk about spending time with family. What do you usually do together?
Well, we like to have dinner together every evening. It's our time to talk and share stories from our day. On weekends, we sometimes watch movies or go for a walk in the park. What about you, Alex?
My family also loves eating together. On Sundays, my dad usually cooks something special, sometimes pasta, sometimes grilled chicken. After lunch, we sit together, drink tea, and just chat.
That sounds so warm and relaxing. Meals with family are always special because they bring everyone together.
Exactly. And learners can use sentences like, I have dinner with my family. We watch movies together. We visit relatives on weekends. We enjoy spending time at home.
Speaking of relatives, let's talk about extended family. Do you often see your grandparents, aunts, or uncles?
Yes, I try to visit my grandparents at least once a month. They live in the countryside. It's peaceful there, and my grandmother always cooks delicious food.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I visit my grandparents too, especially on holidays. My grandma loves telling stories from her childhood.
Grandparents are amazing. They have so much wisdom and patience. And spending time with them is always special.
Definitely. So now we've talked about parents, siblings, and grandparents, all the main parts of a family.
Yes, and we also learned useful vocabulary. Let's quickly review some of the key words: father, mother, brother, sister, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousin, niece, nephew.
Great list, Alex. These words are very helpful for describing your family tree.
Family tree. That's a nice expression. It means a chart that shows all your family members and how they're related.
Exactly. And listeners can practice by drawing their own family tree in English. It's a fun way to remember vocabulary.
That's a great activity, Maya. So, in this part, we've talked about family members, jobs, and spending time together.
Yes, and in the next part, we'll talk about family traditions, celebrations, and how family shapes who we are.
So, Maya, in the last part, we talked about family members and what we usually do together. But there's something else that makes families special: family traditions.
That's true. Every family has its own traditions, big or small. They could be things you do on holidays, birthdays, or weekends. In my family, for example, we always eat dinner together on Friday nights. It's like our little celebration of the week.
That sounds lovely. In my family, we have a tradition of Sunday lunch. Every Sunday, my parents, my sister, her kids, and I all meet at my parents' house. We cook together, laugh, and talk for hours.
That's so nice. Family meals are often full of stories, laughter, and love. It's one of the best ways to stay close.
Yes, and learners can describe their own traditions with simple English sentences, like, "We have dinner together every weekend." "We visit our grandparents during holidays." "We cook special food for New Year's Day." "We celebrate birthdays with a big cake."
Exactly. Traditions help you feel connected, even when life gets busy. They give you something to look forward to.
Speaking of celebrations, what's your favorite family holiday, Maya?
Hmm. I think it's New Year's Eve. My whole family comes together. We cook a big dinner, play games, listen to music, and stay up until midnight. We always count down the last 10 seconds together. It's so much fun. What about you, Alex?
I think my favorite is Christmas. My family decorates the house, we exchange gifts, and we always watch the same old Christmas movie. It's cozy and full of warm memories.
That's wonderful. Celebrations like these remind us how important family is. It's not just about gifts or food, it's about being together.
That's so true. And even small moments matter, like talking in the kitchen or helping each other with small things. Family is about love and support.
Yes. And sometimes we forget how lucky we are to have family. Some people live far from home or work in another country, so they don't see their families often.
That's right. I have a friend who lives abroad. He told me that even short phone calls with his parents make him feel connected.
That's beautiful. Nowadays, technology helps a lot. Video calls, photos, and messages help families stay close even when they're far apart.
Yes, and it's great practice for English learners, too. You can call your family and talk about your day in English.
That's a great idea. You can use simple phrases like, "How are you today? What did you do this morning? I miss you. I love you. I'll call you again soon."
Those short, honest sentences mean a lot. They make communication warm and real.
Exactly. Now let's talk about values, the lessons we learn from our families. Alex, what values did your parents teach you?
My parents always taught me to be kind, respectful, and honest. They told me that helping others is one of the best things you can do in life.
That's wonderful. My parents always told me to work hard, be patient, and never give up. They showed me that love and understanding are the strongest parts of a family.
Families teach us so much, not just words or habits, but how to be good people.
Yes, and that's something that connects families all over the world, no matter where we're from.
I agree. And it's also a great topic for learning English because you can share your story, your traditions, and your values in your own words.
That's right. You can start small. My family is important to me. We love spending time together. We support each other.
Those are beautiful sentences. And when you talk about your family in English, it feels personal and emotional, so it helps you remember the words more easily.
Yes, it's English that comes from the heart.
Exactly, Maya. So, today we learned how to talk about family, from describing family members to sharing traditions, celebrations, and values.
And we hope our listeners can now describe their own families in English with confidence and love.
That's right. Remember, family is not just the people you live with, it's the people who love you and support you.
Beautifully said, Alex. To all our listeners, thank you for joining us on Grow English.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep growing, both in English and in life.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.